how freaking precious is this blow dryer? This is so cute. Also, this little piece, magnetic. How convenient. It usually takes me a little while to blow dry my hair, so I wanted to try this to see how quick it done my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it really quick. It is currently 9:08. I will be right back. Okay, it's currently 9:15, so that took me 7-ish minutes to do my whole freaking head, which is crazy because this doesn't get extremely hot. So the fact that it done my hair in 7 minutes is pretty good. And also it made it shinier than normal. I feel like it looks so shiny. Also, this is digital. I did not even know it was digital whenever I got this. So I love that. This would be the cutest Christmas gift. Like if you have any preteens, teenagers, whatever, even if mama needs one for herself. This is precious. I mean, please look how cute this is. And it's so compact, and like I said, it is magnetic. How convenient. I will have this linked right above my name.